Hello friends, myself Dr Akshay Swami. It is about the introduction of homeopathy. Homeopathy's principles were known at least 2000 years ago. It was not until the 1800s, however, that it was developed into a usable system of medicine by the German scientist and physician Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann. So in this module, I would like to be talking about Kant's philosophy. I have picked some of the chapters from Kant's philosophy. Homeopathic remedies are energetic medicines free from chemical side effects. They do not poison, will not interact with other medications, and are non-addictive. In this module, I'll be talking about cardinal principles of homeopathy. Now, what is meant by the sick? It is a man that is sick and to be restored to health, not his body, nor the tissues. In this module, I have picked some of the chapters from Herbert Robert Philosophy. So let's start our module by the first topic, that is vital energy in its universal application. In this module, we will be discussing about first, classification of diseases, second, one-sided diseases, third, mental diseases and their treatment. Dr. Samuel Hahnemann classifies diseases into four great divisions. Now, the question is, what is the utility of incorporation of Mazamin prescribing? Now, how can we uncover the layers, the different layers of the case? Now, what is a syndrome?